are some important multiple choice questions on the subject retail management. These questions will help you in attempting the exam of retail management. Hope you like these questions and you like this video. The first question is, the word retail has been derived from which word? Latin, French, Greek, Persian. And the option is B, it's French. Who is the last link in the chain connecting the producer and customer? Options are wholesaler, agent, retailer, storekeeper. And the correct option is option C, retailer. Next question is, the factor leading to growth of retailing is A, changing consumer trends, B, technology, C, demographic, and D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is, in retailing there is a direct interaction with producer, customer, wholesaler, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question is, a multi-channel retailer sells merchandise over the telephone, through personal selling and retail store only, over the internet, through more than one channel. And the correct option is option D, through more than one channel. Next question is, retailer is a person who sells goods in a large quantities, small quantities, both A and B, and none of the above. And the correct option is option B, that is small quantities. Next question is, person to person interaction between a retailer and a prospective customer is direct marketing, automatic selling, direct selling, buying service. And the correct option is option C, that is direct selling. Next question is, independent retailers who use a central buying organization and joint promotional efforts are called a merchandise conglomerate, corporate chain, retailer cooperative, or voluntary chain. And the correct option is option C, retailer cooperative. Next question is, retailing creates time utility, place utility, ownership utility, or all of the above. And the correct option is option D, all of the above. Next question is, e-retailing refers to sales of electronic items, catalog shopping, computerized store, or retailing and shopping through internet. And the correct option is D, retailing and shopping through internet. Next question is, mail order retailing is same as direct selling, in-home retailing, e-retailing, or catalog retailing. And the correct option is option D, it's catalog retailing. Next question is, all of the following are types of non-store retailing except catalog retailing, vending machines, chain store, and direct mail. And the correct option is option C, chain store. Shopping malls, supermarkets, and hypermarket come under which type of marketing? Wholesale, retail, direct marketing, or agent service. And the correct option is B, retail. There is no shop assistant in a super bazaar, departmental stores, multiple shop, or second shop. And the correct option is option A, that is super bazaar. Next question is, multiple shops are also known as self-service store, chain store, shopping by post, or departmental stores. And the correct option is option B, that is chain store. Next question is, Indian retailing is dominated by organized retail, unorganized retail, both A and B, or none of the above. And the correct option is option B, that is unorganized retail. Next question is, which is the fastest growing retail vertical? Pharmaceutical retail, airport retail, apparels and consumer durables, entertainment retail. And the correct option is option C, apparels and consumer durables. Next question is, Private label brands are also known as third party brands, stores own brands, manufacturers brand, imported brands, and the correct option is option B, stores own brands. Next question is Walgreens store is into luxury goods, entertainment goods, furniture, or pharmaceutical, and the correct option is option D, pharmaceutical. So thank you for watching. Hope you like it and it's helpful in your exam. So all the best for your exam. Wish you good luck.